back, baby, make you look back. Ah, move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be.
Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. You already know what it is when you see this beautiful purple box. This unit is from LUVME Hair, so thank you so much LUVME for sending over this new wig. Of course, when you get your box, you're going to get your wig, you're going to get your information card, you're going to get a duster bag, you're going to get some other goodies like a wig cap, a comb. I really love their new headbands. Their lace melt bands look really nice. I love the purple shade from LUVME. It's like whenever I see this purple box, I know something good is coming. So don't mind my crazy braid pattern, you guys. This braid pattern was from some clip-ins that I had. So I'm just going to take out this front braid and then just brush the rest of my hair back and just put bobby pins on the front and go ahead and use my wig cap to hold my hair down. I already know my hair needs to be washed. I'm going to handle that, but we're going to go ahead and get in this good old wig before we do that, okay? So the unit that LUVME sent me today is their highlight wig. It is a part of their trendy collection. It's their trendy layered loose wave pre-cut wig that has a 5x5 middle part, and the lace on this one, you guys, is so nice. It's very thin. I went ahead and colored it a little bit. I could have used my lace tint spray, but I ended up choosing not to do that, and it was fine actually not doing that. I just used my powder to go ahead and make it a little deeper, and I think that this wig is blending really nicely. So I went ahead and cut a few baby hairs, not a lot because I really didn't think that it needed it. I just love the pre-plucked hairline for this closure. I love that the closure is a 5x5, so you get a little bit more space in order to, you know, move your wig around. The wig does come pre-curled, pre-cut, and pre-curled and pre-plucked, right? Pre-plucked. So I love that. You know, it's really a ready to wear unit and you don't have to do too much. Of course, I ended up just using my curling iron to just curl it a little bit, but it's really not necessary. I love the highlights. I was like, yes, I haven't had some color in a wig, and this is just the little bit of pop of color that I wanted. Looked really pretty. So I'm going to use my lace melt band to just hold my baby hairs in place. I am not, you know, wearing this wig with adhesive. This is a glueless install, which I'm happy for. I love a glueless install these days, you guys, because I'm just not here for like taking forever styling my wigs. I like my wigs ready to go, and so LUVME is really onto something with this because you just pop it on, and you saw my braids were not nothing special. You know, you don't have to do some special braid pattern. You literally just pop this baby on and she's cute and ready. So a couple specs on this wig. Like I said before, it's a 5x5 closure wig. It has HD lace, which is why the lace blends so nicely, and you don't even really need to use your lace tint spray on this one. It is a middle part, but obviously you can part it anywhere you want in the closure. 100% human hair. This wig does come in 4 different color options: natural black, blonde highlight, which is the one that I have, burgundy highlight, or a 99J ombre. And this wig comes in several different length options. You can get it in 16-inch all the way up to 28 inches. And if you would like this wig pre-cut so that you don't even have to cut the lace when you get it, that is an option as well on the website. So this is what the hair is looking like. I put my makeup on. Didn't do a whole lot with the face today, but definitely loving how the lip combination came out. I'll definitely give you guys details on that in the comments if you want to know how to get this lip, ombre lip color. So I went ahead and just took all the clips out and just finger combed the hair, and that's pretty much it, you guys. That's all you have to do with this one. Like I said, you can wear the curls straight out the box, but I just decided to add a couple more curls to mine. So there you have it. This hair came out so cute. Love how the curls are looking, and this cute little skunk color. I love it. Super cute. And this wig is a glueless install. It is no glue, no adhesive. So this is a very easy beginner friendly unit that doesn't take a lot to look good. Let me know what you guys think, how this wig came out. Leave a comment below if I left anything out or if you have any questions, and I will absolutely get back to you. Make sure you're checking out my Instagram, JessFlyFinds, and I'll leave it in the comments down below, as well as a link to this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love and appreciate you guys so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.